Of this storm, the best way to see it is from the air. We now go to Captain Jeff Long in Sky Chopper 13, who's been over the scene much of the day. Jeff, how are things looking now?
And much of the day we've been over Bay City. We've moved on just a little bit because we wanted to show you that the damage, although it's very heavy in Bay City, is not isolated to that neighborhood. This is the Ellendale community, which is directly across Route 8 from the Bay Bridge Airport. You can see that a couple of these townhomes have completely lost their roofs. Now this is relatively new construction and they are occupied, or those two were occupied. So that's another look at some of the damage. Now we're about the middle of the path of that tornado, which was about a 3.5 mile path directly across Kent Island. So we're going to continue over here towards Cox Creek, where you'll see that there's several townhomes that have blue tarps. There's a lot of blue tarps on Kent Island today on roofs, and there's a church over here that you're going to see in just a second, and there was a structure in the back parking lot of that church that's completely destroyed and a lot of debris there. Now the one last thing that we wanted to show you as we go to the north from here just a little bit across Route 50 to our left, and we're going to get onto Route 8. This is the reason that we had so many people without power after this tornado, is because these tall power lines have fallen over onto other power lines and onto the street. They're still trying to clean this up. They've brought in some temporary poles that they're going to put up. They've removed most of the ones that have fallen across the street, but Route 8 on Kent Island remains closed down at this hour, and it looks like it will be for some time. Reporting live from Sky Chopper 13, I'm Captain Jeff Long. Back to you.
Captain Jeff, thank you so much. Our first warning weather coverage continues now with Meg McNamara with a look at when the storm hit. Meg?